Yeah, so good evening everyone. Yeah, this is the first class. This is the first class of everyone. This is not only yours, it is the first class of everyone. Right? So there is a recording also available for everyone. There is a recording also. Right? So please try to get as much as possible within the class. Within the class, try to get as much as possible. So is audio video okay? Please let me know, is audio video okay or not? Is audio video okay or not? Please let me know. It's fine. Audio video okay. At any point of time, if you have any doubt, you can ask. Sir, I have this doubt, sir. You ask me, I will help you. Sir, I have this doubt, sir. You ask me, I will help you. Any small doubt also there, you can ask me. Right? So let me start now. Yeah, perfect. Perfect. I am starting now. Yeah, I am starting. Algorithms. So I will share the PDF also. Yeah, I will share the PDF also. PDF also I will share. I will share the PDF also. Right? So you please write your own notes also. Right? For a reference purpose, I will give notes also. And one more thing is, reference purpose, AIR1 rank notes also available. Reference purpose, AIR1 notes also available. I will give my notes also. Same notes whatever I am writing in the classroom, same notes I will give to you also. It is better to have everyone their own notes. It is better to have everyone their own notes. It's better to have everyone their notes. Make sure you make as much nice notes as possible. Make sure everyone will make as much good notes as possible. Your notes is different, others notes is different. You may say that, sir, I will take that person notes, I will take this person notes. Right? So remember, Algo DS will be useful lifelong in your life. Lifelong. It will be useful lifelong. This is the algorithm course. This is the algorithm course. It is not RIC. It is the algorithm course. It is not RIC. Right? So in the entire classroom, how many of you studying algorithm first time? In the entire classroom, please let me know how many of you studying algorithm first time. In the app you will get the notes. In the app you will get the notes. In the app you will get the notes. How many of you studying algorithm first time? Please write. No need to bother about others. No need to bother about others. You just write your opinion. How many of you algorithm studying first time? Right? So very soon all the classes will be. Very soon all the classes will be there. All the classes will be there in the app only. Initial 5 classes will be on the YouTube. Right? So that you will get the difference between both the platforms. Right? So please enjoy the platform. Please enjoy. Any doubts are there, you can ask. Right? After 5 classes, all classes will be done. Right? In EPT. In EPT app it will be done. So where I get the note? Thank you, boss. I will attend the RIC. I am studying the algo from you first time, but I know algo and I learn many BTech course algorithm. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, see this one. I don't know how many people, right? How many people knows algorithm already? Whether you know or not doesn't matter. Whether you know algorithm or not doesn't matter. I will teach from basics onwards. I will teach from very basic onwards I will teach. I will take you until extreme I will take you. The only thing what you have to do is you have to study continuously. Everyday study. Make nice notes. Any doubts are there, keep on ask. That is the only thing which you have to do. Right? Fine. Let's start now. Right? Let's start. Algorithm definition. First of all, let me write algorithm syllabus. Let me write algorithm syllabus. First we will discuss algorithm syllabus. First we will discuss analyzing algorithm. That is the first thing. Right? In algorithm syllabus, first topic is analyzing algorithm, which is nothing but finding time complexity, space complexity. Algorithm first topic is analyzing algorithm, finding time complexity, space complexity. Try to get everything. If anyone says, sir, I am studying algorithm first time, sir, it doesn't matter. I studied algorithms so many times, sir, it doesn't matter. Everyone, I will give everything which is needed. With the same algorithm subjects, right? Many people got Google company. With the same algorithm subject, many people got Microsoft. With the same algorithm subject, in most of the software company, my students only there. In most of the software companies, my students only there. In most of the IITs, most of the students are my students only. So my suggestion is please listen properly. Work as much as you can. There is no programming, nothing required. Just listen properly, everything you will get. First topic is analyzing algorithm, finding time complexity, space complexity. Second topic. First is analyzing algorithm. Second topic is asymptotic notation. Analyzing algorithm, time complexity, space complexity finding. Second one is asymptotic notation. So if you don't know first topic, there is no meaning of algorithm. If you don't study second topic, you don't get algorithm. First topic, second topic is very, very important. First topic, if you don't study, there is no meaning of algorithm. Second one, if you don't study, you really don't know what is the meaning of algorithm. Second one is asymptotic notation. Third one, recursion. Recurrence relation. Everyone will get everything. Everyone will get everything. The only thing is have patience. The only thing is have patience here. Right? Recursion, recurrence relation. Recurrence relation solving. Recurrence relation solving. No prerequisite, nothing. Everyone will get. Everyone will get. No prerequisite, nothing. If anyone studying bachelor's degree, like BSc, right, like BSc, right, if anyone studying bachelor's degree, you can write GATE DA. You can write GATE DA. All CSC people can write GATE CS also, GATE DA also, GATE CS also, GATE DA also. And please learn for all these three things. See this one, DSA for a GATE CSC people, GATE DA for people, all the people, common thing is DSA. Common thing is DSA. Learn properly. This is common everywhere. Everywhere this is common. Learn properly. If you learn properly, followed by DSA course is over, followed by 200 problems we will solve. 200 problems we will solve. Follow DSA course followed by 200 problem. Any software company you will get. GATE also, software company also you will get. Learn as much as you can. Right, so, right, fine. Let's see this one. You will easily get. Start now. Recursion, recurrence relation solving. Recurrence relation solving. It is a third topic. Fourth one. Divide and conquer. Inside divide and conquer, you will see few applications like maximum, minimum, and minimum, Second one, right? One application is maximum, minimum. Second one, binary search. Third one, merge sort. Fourth one, everyone will get, quick sort. Fifth one, selection procedure. Sixth one, continuous, maximum, subarray sum. Continuous, maximum, subarray sum. Right, so these are the few applications of divide and conquer. So after completion of these applications, right, you will get the idea. Then we will solve 2 more 100 problems. You will get the DSA completely, everything perfect. Go to the 5. Greedy technique. First one, knapsack problem. Greedy technique. First one, knapsack problem. Second one, Dijkstra's algorithm. Bellman-Ford algorithm. Yeah, I think instead of writing, I will write the common name. So in your area, any rain is coming? So I'm in Delhi, lot of rain is coming. In your area also rain is coming? In your area also rain is coming. My side big rain is coming. What about your area? Rain there or not there? Rain there or not there? Knapsack problem, greedy technique. So knapsack problem, next one is going to be Bangalore no rain. Okay, fine. Fine. Next one, knapsack problem. Next one is single source shortest path. Single source shortest path. Single source shortest path. Single source shortest path. In that first one, Dijkstra's algorithm. Dijkstra's algorithm. Second one, single source shortest path. In that first one is Dijkstra's algorithm. Second one is Bellman-Ford algorithm. Bellman-Ford algorithm. Third one, BFT, breadth first traversal, BFT. Next one, third application, minimum cost spanning tree. Minimum cost spanning tree. Please write the notes properly. Please write the notes properly. It is really useful to you. Minimum cost spanning tree. In that first one, Prim's algorithm. Prim's algorithm. Second one, Kruskal algorithm. Prim's algorithm, Kruskal algorithm. Prim's algorithm and Kruskal algorithm. Next one, fourth one, job sequencing with job sequencing with deadline. Job sequencing with deadline. Fifth one, Huffman coding. Yeah, so greedy technique, we will cover approximately 5 applications followed by 200 problems we will solve. Greedy technique, 5 applications we will cover followed by 200 problems. Combinedly 200 problems we will resolve. So as of now, greedy technique we will cover 5 applications. 5 applications. Right? Fine. Greedy technique we will cover 5 applications. Yeah, let's go to the next one. Dynamic programming. Divide and conquer over. Greedy technique is completed. Next one, dynamic programming. Fifth one is greedy. Sixth one, dynamic programming. Dynamic programming. Dynamic programming. In that first one, Fibonacci series. Fibonacci series. Fibonacci series. Second one, longest common subsequence, which is also called as LCS. 3, Fibonacci series, longest common subsequence. Fibonacci series, longest common subsequence. Next one is matrix chain multiplication. Just I am writing the syllabus, nothing there. matrix chain multiplication. Longest common subsequence, matrix chain multiplication. Fourth one, 0 by 1 knapsack. Fifth one, sum of subsets. Problem. Right, these are the 5 applications. Study properly. Right, very cold. Fine. Yeah, perfect. So don't worry. Some people are thinking, sir, this much where I will study, sir. Some people are thinking, sir, this much where I will study, sir. See, all are humans, like you only, all. Everyone is human like you, right? Initially it look like so difficult. Are this much where I will study? Initially you may be look like this, but right, it's keep on, right? It's keep on. Every day if you do little bit work, within 1 month it will be over. Just dedicatedly work 1 month. You will easily get it. Everyone will get dedicatedly 1 month you work. Dedicatedly every day work. Like that 1 month you will work. You will be okay with algorithms. Right? So I think that is the 6th topic. 7th topic. Some left out sorting algorithm. Left out things, and some graph algorithms, right? Some left out sorting algorithms, some graph algorithm, and one more thing is hashing also, right? We will see in the 7th topic. These are all required. Don't try to escape. These all are required. Totally 7 topics. Are there. Don't try to escape. And one more thing is, no need to afraid also, all are humans. All are humans. Be careful. So from here I started. I will give the notes also. You write your own notes. Don't depend on others. Don't see here and there. Don't see unnecessarily here and there. I guided 25 lakh people, not 1 person, 2 person. I guided 25 lakh people. Right? Everything whatever I am saying you follow. Right? Everything is available in the app only. Initial first 5 classes, they will be in the YouTube. Right? After from the 6th class onwards, all will be in the app only. Yeah, can you see this? If anything is not clear, let me know. Just I written syllabus. Any doubts are there, let me know. You have to write the notes. If anyone is not writing, please start writing notes. If anyone is not writing the notes, please start writing the notes. If anyone is not writing the notes, please start writing the notes. Any doubts? Until now I said only syllabus. If anyone says, sir, I am in first year, second year, it doesn't matter which year. It doesn't matter you are in which year, first year, second year, third year, it doesn't matter. But learn as early as possible. I will start from very basics onwards I will start. Learn as much as possible within this month, right? I think I am starting this subject now. I think today is the 26th, 27th. Today is the 27th, next month 27th. Today is the 27th. Next month 27th it will be over. Today 27th. Next month 27th it will be over. Right? Fine. This will be over next month 27. The only thing is don't afraid and study every day. Any doubts are there, ask. Write the notes also. Write the notes also. Write the notes also. Fine. Can I move to the next? Can I move to the next? That is the syllabus. Can I move to the next? Can I move to the next? Can I move? Yeah, next one. Next one, see this one. To study algorithm, listen, to study algorithm, I am saying to you, everyone listen. To study algorithm, to learn algorithm, just see this one. To learn algorithm, I am writing here. To learn algorithm, first source will be, that is the syllabus only. To learn algorithm, first source should be my lectures. I am proudly saying, to learn algorithm, first thing will be my lectures follow. My lectures follow. That is the first thing I am saying. One or two doubts are there. Ask in class. If you have doubts, ask in class. If you have doubts, ask in class. Ask in class. Still little bit doubt is there, ask in class. Right? What? Everything try to cover in the class only. Don't postpone. Right? To learn algorithm and data structure. Just follow my classes. Don't see here and there. They will trouble you. Right? One or two doubts are there. Ask in class only. And one more. Still doubt is there. Post in group. Still doubt is there. Post in group. If anyone is not joined in group, so it is a 8820. It's my WhatsApp number. You ping me, I will add you. Ask in class. Right? If you have doubts, ask in class. If you have still doubt, post in group. This is my WhatsApp number. You ping me, I will add you. This is my WhatsApp number. You ping me, I will add you. Next one. Still doubt is there. In app, there is a one option like resolve doubt now. In app, there is a doubt. There is an option called resolve doubt now. Just to post there. Right? Your doubt will be resolved. Right? Either me or one of the faculty will reply you. Ask in class itself. Still doubt there. Post in group. Still doubt is there. Post in group. One of the classmate will help you. Still if you have doubt. In app there is an option like resolve doubt now. Right? So in that you can keep it. So these are the ways. First way, second way, third way. Still one or two small doubts are there. Listen. One or two small doubts are there. There is one more option. One or two small doubts are there. There is one more option like right? Coreman. There is an algorithm book. Introduction to Algorithm by Coreman. One book is there. That book you can follow. I will give that book also. Introduction to Algorithm. I will give one book, right? Right? So I have the soft copy also. I will give that book. Introduction to Algorithm by Coreman. So you can follow, right? So you can buy also. If anyone want to buy, you can buy, right? So I have, if you want soft copy, I have soft copy also. As a computer science student, right? It's if you want to buy it, buy. If you don't want to buy also, no problem. In examination point of view, no need to buy. As a CSE person, if you want to buy. If anyone thinking that, sir, I am non-CSE, sir. Yeah, from the 6th class onwards, right? Class will start in the EPT app. Introduction to Algorithm by Coreman, right? So I am repeating once again. If you want to get algorithm data structures, blindly follow my lectures. 1 or 2 doubts are there, ask in class, post in group, right? In the app also you can post. Still if you have doubt, in this book you can clarify doubts. Introduction to Algorithm by Coreman. This is the last one. 4th one is the last step. Introduction to Algorithm by Coreman. It is the last step. If you have doubt after my class followed by ask in the class only. Still you have doubt, post in the group. Still you have doubt, right? So post in the app. Still if you not convinced, sometimes some people may not convince. Still if you have doubt, right? So open the book, Coreman book, open only that topic, which topic you have doubt, only that topic study. Don't study everything, because if you study everything, this book contain approximately 1500 pages. You cannot read all. It is not possible. Only doubt thing you study. Just only doubt. Whichever place you have doubt, study only doubt. Right? Everyone, right? So, Introduction to Algorithm by Coreman, 1500 pages. You cannot study everything. Only doubt part study. Please careful. By listening these lectures only, most of my students, right, went to IIT, went to NIT, went to Triple IT, went to Microsoft, went to Google, went to Facebook, went to Amazon, went to Ola, Uber, TCS, Infosys, and so on. So my only suggestion to all of you is, right, have patience. First to trust yourself, right? First you trust yourself. Have patience. Learn every day something. Learn each day something. If anyone says, sir, I am belongs to non-CSE, doesn't matter. If anyone says, sir, I am belongs to CSE, it doesn't matter. If anyone says, sir, I got BTech very less percentage, sir, it doesn't matter. Sir, I got in the bachelor's degree very less, sir. Nothing matters. Sir. Trust me. The only thing is, right, study each day something. Right? Study each day something. I hope you got it. So now let's go here. See this one. If you have, right, so get everything in the class only. My sincere suggestion to everyone. Right? So get everything in the class only. If you don't get a class, it will become difficult. Get everything in the class only. 1 or 2 doubts. Ask in the class. Don't sit idle. Ask in the class. Right? Everything you have to get in the class. Right? The fundamental property where you will get the rank is, if you want to get the very good rank, the fundamental thing what you have to do is get everything in the class. Don't postpone. After class I will study, after class I will study, after class. If you keep on postponing like this, you will never do work. You will never achieve in your life anything. Every time postponing, it don't work. Right? Every day work, that day only do. Everything you should do in the class only, don't postpone. Class over, you should get everything. Right? Fine. I think, see, first one, right? Get it from my lectures only. Ask any doubts are there in the class. Post in the group or otherwise post in the app. Alright. Lastly, one or two doubts are there. You can resolve, right? From Coreman. It is the last step. Now see this one. Fifth one, everyone listen. Right? So you don't get from my classes. From my classes you didn't get. Right? And one more, doubts also you didn't resolve. And you are doing whatever way you want. See, if you don't get from all these, you never get algorithm subject. Please follow this only. If you don't get this, you never get anything. So remember, if you don't get one also, two also, right? In the two, right? 1, 2, 3, right? It may be 3. In 1, 2, 3, if you don't get, the only step is, right? Go to hell. If you don't get my lectures, if you don't resolve the doubts, if you don't study, 1 or 2 doubts are there, you don't solve in the Coreman, right? The only option which is available is go to hell. Yes, go to hell. The only option available is, if you don't get from 1 also, if you don't get from 2 also, if you don't get from 3 also, right? The only option available is just go to hell. You just go to hell. Other than this, no other way. I given the very simple procedure. Just follow lectures. Doubts are there, ask in the class. Still doubt is there, post in the group. Right? Still doubt is there, post in the app. The app one section is there, resolve doubt now. In the app one section there, resolve doubt now. Post there, your doubt will be clear. If you don't get 1 also, 2 also, 3 also, the only option is go to hell. You just go to hell. Your friends also go to hell. You go to hell. Your friends go to hell. Your neighbors go to hell. Your neighbors also go to hell. I am not joking. Trust me, I am not joking. If anyone don't follow this, people will spoil your life. If you try that website, this website, that website, this website, they will spoil your life. Sir, I will try that website, sir. Sir, I will try this website. See, different website will say different things. Different websites, right? So different websites say different things. Their only goal is spoiling your life. Their only goal is spoiling your life. Trust me, everyone want to show they are great. Every website want to show they are great. They will try this one, they will try that one. They will spoil your life. Right? Because of today is the first class, I want to make sure what you have to do. Just follow notes. Doubts are there, resolve. Right? Worst case, whichever topic you have doubt. Don't study Coreman everything. Some people are asking, sir, should I study Coreman from starting to ending? 1500 pages are there. How can you study from starting to ending? Sir, can I study Coreman from starting to ending? 1500 pages. How can you study from starting to ending? You only say. It's not possible at all studying 1500 pages starting to ending. If you do that, you will become mad. If anyone say, sir, I will study from Coreman. Sir, I will study from Coreman starting to ending. If you study from starting to ending, exam over. If you study the Coreman from starting to ending, right, exam is over. You are still in the middle of the book. Right? You will be in the middle of the book. Still you will be in the middle of the book. Exam is over, still you are in the middle. Don't dare to study core man everything. Only doubt part. Only doubt part, resolve it. Only doubt part only refer. Suppose I said Pixart, you have some small doubt, you can refer the book. I said Medsart, you have some doubt, you can refer the book. Right? I hope you got it. I hope you got it. Right. I think everything is fine. I think everything is fine. So just confidently 1 month you try. 1 month you try, right? First target. Day wise do little bit. Day wise do little bit. Then week wise you target. First to day wise, next to week wise, next to month wise, next to quarter wise, next to year wise. At the end of the year, you should go to nice place. So if you want to go at the end of the year nice place, in every quarter you have to do nice. In every quarter, if you want to do nice, in every month you have to do nice. In every month, if you want to do nice, every week you have to do nice. Every day you have to do nice. So try to understand, nothing will come freely. Nothing will come freely, right? If anyone thinking suddenly rank will come, it will not come. 1 year if you struggle, right, you will get the rank. 1 year if you struggle, you will get the nice rank, you will go to nice exam. Yeah, someone is saying exam fear. If you study properly, no exam fear, nothing. 1 year if you study dedicatedly, no exam fear, nothing. Right? So please be careful. So I am starting now. Everything ready, I am starting. Now, see, let me say one more thing also. Everyone listen, let me say one more thing also. Because of it is an online class, you will sit in the house or in the room, you are listening. Sometimes you may be little bit sleepy also. Because of it is an online class, sometimes you may be sleepy. Because of you are alone, you may be sometimes sleepy and all. Right? You don't want to sleep, unfortunately you slept. You don't want to sleep, unfortunately you slept. Right? Then what you do is just to go inside a house. Right? You slap Papa one time. You just slap Papa one time. Right? Papa will beat you, right, 2 or 3 times. Then everything all right. Because of it is an online class. Right? You may be sleepy. You may be lazy. You don't want to sleep. Unfortunately, you got sleep. Then what you do is go to Papa, slap Papa one time. Then Papa will beat you, right? The Papa will beat you many times. Then everything all right. Right? So otherwise, right? You slap Mama. She will beat you 10 times. Slap your siblings. Your only goal is you want to lose your sleep. You want to lose your laziness. Right? You don't need to slap. You can shout on them. They will shout back on you. Then everything is all right. My only intention of here is please learn. Somehow you learn. Somehow gain the knowledge. Then everything is all right. Right? Let's go to next story. Yeah, I'm starting. See this. Right. Let's start now. Algorithm definition. If anyone knows, please let me know. What is the algorithm definition? I am starting from very scratch. What is the algorithm definition? What is algorithm definition? Please let me know. I am starting from very basic point. I am starting. If anyone says, sir, I am mechanical, sir, I don't know algorithm. Many of my students are from mechanical. They got. They got Algo DS. Many of my students are from civil branch. Many of my students are from civil branch. They got. It doesn't matter which branch, right? Are you determined or not? It doesn't matter you are from which branch. Are you determined or not? That is only matter. If you determined, you can do it. If you determined, you will do it. If you are not determined, right, you may say some excuses. For everyone, algorithm is new, so I am starting. For everyone, algorithm is new, I am starting the definition. See the definition. Different definitions are there. I am giving the first definition. It is a combination of sequence of finite steps to solve a problem. It is a combination of sequence of finite steps to solve a problem. It is the definition. For everyone it is new. Not only you, for everyone it is new. For everyone it is new. So you may be thinking, sir, in the BTech I didn't study it, sir. In the BTech who studied? No one will study. If anyone study in the BTech, he is a fool. In the BTech who will study, yaar? Sir, in the BTech I didn't study, sir. My friends studied. Sir, in the bachelor's degree going on, I didn't study it, sir. My friends study. Are who will study in the BTech, yaar? Are you fool? In the BTech who will study? Are you fool or what? If anyone study in the BTech, you are a joker. Are you getting? Who will study in the BTech? Are you mad or what? No one will study. Don't worry. Sir, he is CSE, sir. I am mechanical. He is a CSE or mechanical. Arey man, in the BTech no one will study. It doesn't matter. It is a CSE or mechanical. It doesn't matter. No one will study. No one will study. Sir, he is CSE person. 4 years he studied, sir. 4 years you study. Arey 4 years mechanical. What you studied? 4 years mechanical, what you studied, he studied the 4 years CSE, same only, nothing. Going to canteen dancing, right? Going to canteen dancing every day, ready and coming to college, right? Going to canteen dancing. So what I want to say is, no one studied in the BTech. You no need to bother. No one studied in the BTech. If you study, definitely some advantage. If you don't study, also no problem, right? It is the definition. It is a combination of sequence of finite steps to solve a problem. It is a definition, right? So I think the definition I written. Let's give one example. Take the example. I given the definition, right? Let's go for example. See, I will make sure within 1 month I'll go over. Within 1 month I'll go over. Remember, I will complete the syllabus within 6 months. Within 6 months, total syllabus will be over. The only thing is you have to study. Other than this, nothing there. Right? The only thing is you have to study. Other than this, nothing. Within 6 months, total syllabus will be over. Right? Please keep on working. Now write down now. Definition is over. Example. Assume that I want to add two numbers. Listen, m is equal to 75, n is equal to 200. I want to add both. Add m and n. I am writing the program. M is equal to 75, n is equal to 200. I want to add m and n. See the algorithm. First algorithm I am writing. Yeah, total, right? Total algo. Total syllabus is on EPT only. First 5 classes here. M is equal to 75, n is equal to 200. Add m and n. See the algorithm. Algorithm name is add two numbers. You can give whatever name you want. Algorithm name is add two numbers. Give whatever name you want. M comma n. Add two numbers. M comma n. Yeah, if you want to give input, you can give, or otherwise you can take inside also. Inside also you can give. There is no problem. Inside also you can give. See, addition of two numbers. Inside also you can take. First step. First step. Take two numbers. First step. Take two numbers. First step is take two numbers. First step is take two numbers. Second step, assume that the numbers which you taken is A and B. Assume. See what I am doing. Add A, right? Add M and N. The two numbers which you taken is, assume that M and N. Add M and N. Store in. Add M and N. Store in. Right? Store in C. Add M and N, store in variable C. Take two numbers M and N. Add M and N, store in C. Store in variable C. That is the second step. Third one. Right? Print the number. Print the variable C. End of the program. This is the program. Sorry, this is the algorithm. Addition of two numbers algorithm. First step, take two numbers M and N. You have to write your notes properly. Write notes properly. Take two numbers M and N. Add M and N. Store in variable C. Print the variable C. Right. So there is a link also, right? Link also there. Right. Is it fine now? Addition of two numbers. Take two numbers M and N. Add M and N. Store in variable C. Print the variable C. That's it. This is called algorithm. This is called algorithm, right? Algorithm is nothing but normal English lines. In the English line, whatever you are thinking, please write. Step by step you write. Whatever you are thinking about the problem, please write step by step. Okay, I want to add two numbers M and N. You should think like this one. Okay, adding two numbers M and N. Okay, first step, take the numbers. Okay, I take the numbers. Add both of them, right? Store in some variable. Right? I took the variable as C. Then afterwards print the variable or return the variable. Whatever you want, you can do. Is it fine? Is it okay? Bhaiya, is it okay? Bhaiya, is it okay? Anyone having doubt? See, doubt there, please ask. Bhaiya, doubt there, ask. Oi, doubt is there. Do you have doubt? Oi, you have doubt? Doubt there, let me know. Don't keep doubt inside you. Don't keep doubt inside you. Inside your brain, don't keep all doubts. Your brain is a very small brain, right? Don't keep dust. Doubts are dust only. Don't keep dust inside your brain. Small brain it is. Your brain should contain mama name. Your brain should contain papa name. Your brain should contain beautiful memories mama papa given. Don't keep this dust. Don't keep this dust inside your brain. Right, fine. So take two numbers m and n, add m and n, store in variable c, print the variable c. Now listen. I don't know how many people will give. Please give the answer to me. Everyone listen. In C language, how to take two numbers? In C language, how to take two numbers? In C language, how to take two number? In C language, if you want to take two number, scanf. In C language, if you want to take two numbers, scanf. In the C++ language, if you want to take two numbers, cin. In the C language, if you want to take two numbers, scanf. In the C++ language, if you want to take two numbers, cin. So language to language, the way of, right? The language to language, the way of saying is different. In C language, it is called scanf. In the C++ language, it is called scanf. C++ it is called as cin. In some other language, some other way. Right? Remember, if you know algorithm, you know all languages. Algorithm is a, right? Procedure, stepwise procedure. Take two numbers m and n, add both of them, store in C, right? Print the variable C, something like that. Yeah, in Python, right? Input, right? Different languages, different way of expression. You getting? Are you getting? Different languages, different expression. See this one, same statement, some different people, different languages, people will say different ways, but expression is same. So remember, algorithm is a stepwise procedure. I think I will say this one. Can you help me? In this algorithm, if you observe clearly, In this algorithm, if you observe clearly, right? Observe clearly in this algorithm, right? 3 steps are there. See, 3 steps are there. This algorithm contains 3 steps. See, it is a combination of sequence of finite steps. See, 3 steps are finite. Every line is 1 step. So finite step. Every algorithm should contain finite steps. So 3 steps are there. And one more thing. Listen, one more thing. Every algorithm contains finite steps, it's okay. Out of these 3 steps, can I delete any one? If you delete first step, from where 2 numbers came. If you delete second step, from where C came. If you delete third step, what value will print? I am repeating once again. In these 3 steps, you cannot delete any one. If you delete first step, from where M and N came. If you delete second step, from where C came. If you delete third step, from right, what you are printing. So all 3 lines are important. So that is the reason. Combination of, all compulsory. Don't write unnecessarily anything. It is a combination of, means all are compulsory. And one more thing, every algorithm should contain finite steps. Algorithm means finite steps should be there. Right? Combination, all are compulsory. To solve a problem, finally it should solve your problem. It is a combination of sequence of finite steps. It is a combination of sequence of finite steps. So remember finite steps, algorithm means finite steps. And everyone required. Don't write unnecessarily something. Right? Write in the normal English story kind of thing. Okay, you want to add two numbers, right? Take two numbers. Add them, store in C. Afterwards, use C, like that. Yeah, recording also there. Recording also there is this total video trimming will be done. Unnecessary part will be deleted, right? So you necessary part only will be kept in the app. Necessary part in the app, no dust. In the EPT app, no dust there. Only necessary things will be there. Only necessary part it will be there. Right? Total recording will be there by only necessary part. Get everything here. Don't waste your time afterwards. One or two doubts are there, you can rectify. One or two doubts are there, you can see recording again and again. Intentionally don't postpone. So it is algorithm. Algorithm is a combination of sequence of finite steps to solve a problem. Okay, perfect. You got it. So can I move to next? Someone is saying it is a sequential. Yeah, I think after 1 only 2 will come. See, can I swap 1, 2? 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 Please let me know. Can I swap 1, 2? Can I swap or not? Can I swap or not? Hello? If you swap, see, first one is keep, right, add M and N, store in C. Second is take M and N. There is no meaning. So order also, mostly order also. If no dependency, you can swap. If dependency there, right, you no need to swap. Dependency not there, swap. Dependency there, don't swap. Right, so someone is saying that recording only in app or YouTube also, right? Only in app. YouTube I am not sure. Right, YouTube is right for live purpose I am using, right, 5 days. Right, fine, that's fine. Yeah, you can ping me personally, the person who is asking, you can ping me personally, right? Fine. So can you come here now? I think anyone having doubt? It is a combination of sequence of finite steps to solve a problem. It is a combination of sequence of finite steps to solve a problem. I think that is perfect. Now go to the next one. Write down. Properties of algorithm. Algorithm definition I done. Now see the properties of algorithm. Algorithm definition I done. From today onwards, if anyone asks what is the algorithm definition, it is a combination of sequence of finite steps to solve a problem. Finite steps are there. And combination of, so unnecessarily don't write any extra steps. And finite steps are required. Unnecessarily don't write extra steps, but finite steps are required. You cannot write algorithm with infinite steps. Right? It's a combination of sequence of finite steps to solve a problem. I started with the definition. No, I kept minimum, right? Samarth, I kept minimum I kept. Samarth, I kept minimum, otherwise I may not maintain quality. Right? Then some bad faculty will come. Right? Good faculty may not come for cheaper cost. Right? I have, so my intention is, I want to make sure, see, you are not students to me. You are not students to me, trust me. You are not my students. You are my family member. You are my like younger brother. You are like my younger sister. Right? I cannot do business with you. Whatever minimum required, I am taken. If I take less, right? So definitely some bad faculty will come. They may not do the justice to you. Finally, your 1 year will be wasted. I want to make sure, right? I want to make sure you should be settled down as soon as possible. I want to make sure you will gain more knowledge as early as possible. That is only my intention. Right? So all good faculty, whether I will teach, whether someone else will teach, good faculty only will teach. That is my condition. Right? Fine. Now can you come here now? Properties of algorithm. Properties of algorithm. First point. If at all it is algorithm, listen, if at all it is algorithm, first property. If at all it is algorithm, first property. If at all it is algorithm, first property will be, right? Algorithm means when someone said it is algorithm, first property it should be, right? It should stop after finite time. If it is algorithm, it should stop after finite time. If someone say I have something, it is an algorithm or not, the first criteria it should satisfy is it should stop after finite time. It should stop after finite time. Properties of algorithm, right? First one should be, if someone says, sir, I written something, sir, I written some normal English story, sir, I written normal English story, sir, is it an algorithm or not? The first condition should be, it should stop after finite time. That is the first condition. If it don't stop, it is not an algorithm. If it is algorithm, it should stop after finite time. Suppose if something is going infinite loop, it is not an algorithm. If something is going infinite loop, it is not an algorithm. If algorithm, it should stop after finite time. Algorithm first property, it should stop after finite time. If anything is going infinite loop, it is not an algorithm. Second point, if it is algorithm, one more thing, it should produce at least one output. It should produce at least one output. It should stop after finite time. Second, it should produce at least one output. If it is algorithm, after some time it should stop. If it is algorithm, at least one output should be there. Suppose if anyone say, I written some algorithm, finally no output is there. If no output is there, why you written algorithm? Are you mad? If no output, then why you written the algorithm? Are you mad? Are you mental? Someone say that, sir, I written the great algorithm, that algorithm is not stopping. Arey buffalo, it is not a algorithm. It is a dust. Right? One student is saying to me, sir, I written something, sir. I written one algorithm, that algorithm taking infinite time, sir. Then it is not a algorithm, buffalo. It is not algorithm. If it is an algorithm, it should stop. One student one day called me and he is saying that I written something, sir, that I written one algorithm, that algorithm is going infinite loop, sir. It is not a algorithm. It is a dust. You are a mad fellow. Your friends are mad. If at all it is algorithm, it should stop after finite time. If at all it is algorithm, it should produce some output. You written one algorithm, listen, you written one algorithm, that algorithm finally no output. If no output, how it is algorithm? Every algorithm should have some output. Every algorithm should have some output. You got? Algorithm means it should stop. Algorithm means it should produce at least one output. Are you getting? Next one. One algorithm, listen. One algorithm. Suppose for a particular algorithm, if I give input 10, 20, I give an input. Assume that for a particular algorithm, I give an input as 10, 20. Suppose this algorithm only take. To this algorithm, I give an input as 10, 20. Output is came 30. To this algorithm, I give an input as 10, 20. Output came 30. Assume after 1 hour, if I give again 10, 20, I should get output 30 only. If I give 10, 20, I got output 30. If I give 10, 20, output should be 30 only. Means after 1 day, if I give input 10, 20, output will be 30 only. That is called deterministic algorithm. Every time behaving properly, that is called deterministic. Suppose assume today I given 10, 20, output came 30. Tomorrow if I give 10, 20, output is coming as 55. I think it is a dangerous algorithm. No one will use it. If it is an algorithm, it should be a deterministic. Deterministic means what? This input, this is the output. I don't want to see same input, two different outputs. If I give 10, 20, output came 30. After 1 day, if I give 10, 20, output should be 30 only. Output cannot be changing again and again. Same input, output is changing. It's a dangerous algorithm. No one will use it. Every algorithm should be deterministic. Algorithm should be deterministic. Algorithm should be deterministic. Which is also called as it should be unambiguous, no ambiguity. From today onwards, if anyone say algorithm definition, anyone asks you, say this definition. It is a combination of sequence of finite steps to solve a problem. Next, if they ask you, can you give example? Give this example. Yeah, I want to add two numbers. Take two numbers m and n. Add both of them, store in C. Another print in one variable C, right? Print the variable C like that. Next one, if they ask you what are the properties, right? If something I want to say algorithm, first it should stop. If I want to say something is algorithm, first it should stop. Second one should be, it should produce at least one output. Whenever it is algorithm, at least one output. Suppose you written something, there is no output is coming, then it is not an algorithm. Algorithm means some output should be there. Algorithm means some output should be there. Algorithm means there is a time limit. So remember to you, you are preparing for DSA classes. You have a, right? If you want to make algorithm, DSA classes is a one algorithm. What is the meaning? There is a some time. Within 6 months, DSA course is, right? Including those 200 problem, right? DSA course is 6 months. There is a time period. Those people who are taking the gate coaching, those people who are taking the gate CSC, you have 1 year time period. Those people who are taking DA classes, they have 1 year time period. Everything having time periods, there should be a limit. Next one, not only limit, finally you should get some output. Finally you should get some nice rank. At the end of the algorithm, some output should be there. At the end of the algorithm, some output should be there. Please careful. It should be deterministic. It should be unambiguous. Algorithm should stop after finite time. Algorithm should produce at least one output. It should be deterministic or it should be unambiguous. Right? Next one. 4. It should be effective. It should be effective. What is the meaning? I will write. It should be effective. It should be effective. That means it should be effective. That means, see this one. Everyone listen. X is equal to, you cannot write unnecessarily x is equal to x. There is no meaning. You cannot write unnecessarily x is equal to x. There is no meaning of this. It is wasting time. There is no meaning of writing x is equal to x into 1. There is no meaning. If you write also no problem, but unnecessarily time waste. There is no meaning of this. X is equal to x into 0. There is no meaning of this also. Anyhow 0 only. Right? So this one, these are there is no use. I think these two. X is equal to x, no meaning of writing. X is equal to x into 1. There is no meaning of writing. So please careful. Right? And one more thing is only for namesake. X is equal to x plus 0. No use. X is equal to x minus 0. No use. At the end of the day, same. It should be effective. Algorithm should be effective. Algorithm should be unambiguous. Algorithm should be deterministic. Algorithm should produce at least one output. Algorithm should stop after finite time. Anyone having any doubt, let me know. Sir, I have this doubt, sir. You ask me, I will help you. Check, anyone having any doubt. Any doubt? Please let me know if anyone having any doubt. So I am not done anything in today's class. I am not done anything. Algorithm syllabus I written. Algorithm syllabus I written. Next one. What book I can follow? Right? I simply said no book required. I simply said no book required. If at all you want one book, you can go for Introduction to Algorithm by Coreman. Next one. Right? Next one. I started the algorithm definition, followed by example, followed by properties. There are so many properties which are necessary I written. Algorithm means it should stop after some time. It should produce at least one output. It should be deterministic. Another name, it should be unambiguous. Algorithm should be effective. Anyone have doubt, let me know. Don't waste time by sitting idle. Don't waste idle by sitting idle. Don't waste mama papa money. Don't waste your valuable time also. Make sure you will get everything. Ask enough doubts. Whatever you feel, you can ask. Because of it is the first class, right? I repeated many things. And one more thing is because of it is the first class, I said so many suggestions also to you. Remember, one day work doesn't matter. 1 day work doesn't matter. 2 day work doesn't matter. Continuously what you are doing. 1 day work doesn't matter. 2 day work doesn't matter. Continuously what you are doing. That matters. And one more thing is if anyone, right, if you are serious, if you want to write GATE CSE, if you want to write GATE CSE plus DSA course combinedly, it will give life to you. Next one, GATE DA plus DSA. Next one, GATE DA, CSE, DSA. So batches are started. You can join anyone, whatever you like. Next one, important thing is DSA classes. DSA classes are started. If you work properly, within 3 months, Algo DS you will be perfect. Within 3 months, Algo DS will be perfect. If you are okay with Algo DS, what is there in the CSE GATE exam? What is there in the software interview? If you get DSA classes properly, you can crack software job easily. Right? So those people who are not, if anyone is not taken admission, if anyone is not taken the admission, my suggestion is if anyone not taken the admission, my suggestion is you just WhatsApp me, right? So whatever course possible to you, you can take. Don't waste time, so you can spend some money for your life purpose, right? This is my WhatsApp number, you can ping me, right? I will help you whatever you want. Otherwise you can go to exam prep tool, exampreptool.com. You can go to the website exampreptool.com. You can take subscription from there, exampreptool.com, right? So in that website you can go, you can take whatever course you want, or download EPT app. Download EPT app. From there also you can take the subscription. If anyone not taken, so please take, right? Gain as much knowledge as possible so that you will get many opportunities. More knowledge if you gain, more opportunities you will get. So I think I said the properties also, right? I said properties of algorithm also. Perfect. Next one. Go to the next one. One more point, write down. Write down one more point. So yeah, next one is going to be steps to design algorithm. Steps to design algorithm means if I want to design algorithm, what steps I have to follow? If I want to design algorithm, what steps I have to follow? Right? So, right, someone is saying DSA will be same for everywhere, right? But in the DSA, right, in the case of DSA classes, 200 extra problem we will solve. 200 extra problem we will solve, and coding also we will do. We will do coding also, right? First learn properly all the concepts, learn concepts properly, followed by 200 problems, and with coding, 200 problems with coding. Right, now come to the next one. Steps to design algorithm. Learn properly, don't learn by pieces, right? For this piece one place, this piece one place, don't read. Learn properly AlgoDS one time. It will give many jobs to you. It will give many jobs. Properly study, right? Steps to design algorithm, right? Write down now, right? Steps to design. So lastly 200 problems are there. If you solve those and if you do coding, then everything perfect. Right, come to the next one. Right, so steps to design. Can you help me now? Listen everyone, something like this. I have here some problem. I want to write algorithm for this. How to write? What is the procedure? Don't write blindly. If you do blindly, blind things will happen. I have here one algorithm. I am repeating once again. I have here one problem. I want to write algorithm. How to write it? You have a problem. You want to write algorithm. How to write it? Right? Don't do blindly. Right? There is a one procedure. Follow it. How? See the first step. To design algorithm, the first step is going to be to design algorithm. First step is going to be know the problem clearly. That is called problem definition. Know the problem clearly. That is called problem definition. To design algorithm for any problem, know the problem clearly. Right? Fine. Right. So that is the first thing, problem definition. Steps to design algorithm, right? First one is going to be problem definition. Know the problem clearly. Second step. And that is the reason people used to say that, listen, that is the reason people, yeah, it is available, right? Someone is saying that is it available on the Play Store, Apple Play Store. It will come, I think, in couple of days it will come. It is already there on the Android, right? So, right, web also going to be ready in few more days, right? On Apple Play Store also it will come, right? So I think this month and I think 3 or 4 days are there. This month and it will be ready, right? Now see this one, problem definition. If you want to listen, don't divert the topic. If you want to write algorithm for any problem, if you want to write the algorithm for any problem, the first step is going to be, first step is going to be understand the problem, know the problem. Some people, what they will do is, without knowing the problem, they will start. Without knowing the problem, they will start. Without knowing the problem, if you start, in the middle you have to stop. Without knowing the problem, if you start, in the middle you have to stop. So the first step is going to be, know the problem clearly. Without knowing the problem, don't start. So first step, that is called problem definition. Problem definition means you will get to know to this input. Input 1, what is the output? Input 2, what is the output? You will get to know clear clarity. Input 3, what is the output? Output 3, and so on. Input n, what is the output? Output n. First step is going to be know problem clearly. Without knowing the right problem, don't start algorithm. Suppose problem not clear. Many students I seen these kind of people. They don't know problem, they will write algorithm. They don't know problem, they will write the algorithm. So my suggestion is, without knowing the problem, don't start. Problem not clear, do work. Problem not clear, do work. That is the reason. If any project come to TCS company, knowing the problem itself, they may do 6 months research. 6 months they will spend on that. Right? TCS company maybe 6 months. Maybe if it is a big project, 1 year. If it is a very, very big project, maybe 5 years on the problem only. Right? Problem is, right? Isn't that is a complex problem? They will spend more time. Don't start without knowing the problem. Right? First step is going to be problem definition. Suppose that for input 20, input 50, I don't know what is the output. That means problem not clear. Input 50, what is the output? Input 50, what is the output? You don't know. Means problem not clear. That is the meaning. You are not clear with the problem. If you are not clear with the problem, don't start. Don't start. For every input, you should know what is the output. For every input, what is the output, you should know. Right? So that is the first thing. Problem definition. Know the problem clearly. Second step. Right? Knowing the problem clearly is called as a problem definition. Second one is going to be, after knowing the problem, everyone listen. After knowing the problem, it is a very, very important one. It is a very, very important one. After knowing the problem, algorithm subject having so many algorithm, right? So algorithm subject having so many algorithm. Which algorithm suitable to you? Please select it. That is called as select design technique. Design technique. So algorithm subject having so many algorithm. Select your required design. Right? So design technique. Right? Select design technique or design algorithm. That is the second step. Now, is there anyone, listen everyone, is there anyone who knows web development? Is there anyone who knows web development? Do you know web development? Do you know web development? What is the meaning of web developer? Is there anyone who knows web developer? Is there anyone here who is a web developer? Remember, web developer means, listen, web developer means, everyone listen. No Akshay. Akshay only 5 lectures. Akshay only 5 lectures. Right, now let me continue for this. See this one. If anyone want to be, listen, if anyone is a web developer, what happened is, listen, if anyone is a web developer, what happened is, suppose one project came. Careful. If anyone is a web developer, what happened is, there is one project came, right? By seeing the project, what actually that project needed, you will select the corresponding template. Web development having so many templates. Web development having so many templates. You no need to design everything from scratch. Web development having so many templates. You no need to design everything from scratch. Suppose assume one project came, that project belongs to real estate. Real estate template I will take. Suppose one project came, that project belongs to edtech. Edtech template I will take. Suppose one project came that belongs to e-commerce. E-commerce template I will take. In the web development, those are called templates. In algorithm, those are known as design techniques. By seeing the problem, I can easily say to this problem, which design technique is suitable. Algorithm subject having so many designs. Like web development having so many templates. Algorithm design having so many algorithms inside. Those are called designing technique. You select whichever you like. That is called design algorithm. Remember, algorithm subject is having already algorithm. To your problem, which algorithm suitable you decide. Some people are asking, sir, algorithm design, algorithm having so many algorithms, you are saying, sir, what are those, sir? What are those? One of the designing technique name is called divide and conquer. One more designing technique name is called greedy technique. One design technique name is called as divide and conquer, right? Which is nothing but one kind of algorithm. One more designing technique name is called as greedy technique. One more is going to be dynamic programming. One more is going to be branch and bound. One more is going to be backtracking. So like that, so many designing technique. If I want to say in the normal web terminology, right? Like real estate template is there. Real estate website purpose, real estate template is there. EdTech template is there. E-commerce template is there. Social media template is there. Like that algorithm also having different kind of algorithm. Already they are available. DAC one technique, greedy technique one technique, dynamic programming one technique, branch and bound one technique, backtracking one technique. Right? So listen everyone now. Whenever you say second step is completed means to your problem, right? Algorithm you selected already. To your problem, algorithm already selected. You no need to write everything, you no need to write from scratch. You no need to write everything from scratch. Sir, I want to write from scratch. Sir, you no need to write everything from scratch. If you write everything from scratch, time waste. You can do from scratch. What is the need? So understand the problem. Next one, after understanding problem, algorithm subject having so many algorithm, to your problem which is suitable, please select. Second step is very crucial. Right? Which one is more suitable? Please select it. Suppose assume that after seeing my problem, I got to know DP is better. You should know DP first. You should know problem. Problem also you should know. DP also you should know. To your problem, DP suitable or not, verify. If at all, right, suitable, then take DP. For your problem, right, greedy technique is better or not, verify. If it is better, take greedy. For your problem, DAC suitable or not, verify. If it is okay, then take it. So it will come by experience. So that is the reason we are going to solve as many problems as possible. For every problem, I will take one problem. I will see, right, to this problem, divide and conquer can we do or not, greedy technique can we do or not, dynamic programming can we do or not, backtracking can I do or not, branch and bound can we do or not, we can verify. Remember, in algorithm design, right, important thing is selecting design, because algorithm having so many algorithms. Which algorithm suitable to your problem you select. That is the second step. Yeah, is there anyone who having doubt until now? This is the misunderstanding. Many people are having misunderstanding. Many students having misunderstanding. Studying algorithm is nothing but studying, right? Different algorithms I will learn. No, algorithm subject having algorithms. Algorithm subjects are having algorithms. You have to know what time which algorithm you have to use. That is the meaning of, right, learning algorithm. If you write everything from scratch, what is the meaning of studying? Everything you are writing from scratch, what is the need of studying? Yeah. Algorithm subject studying purpose is already you have algorithms. To your problem, which algorithm is suitable? Please match it. If you can do matching, you are perfect. This will come when you know clearly how many algorithms are there, what is your problem, what is the correct matching. You no need to write everything from scratch. If you write, time waste. Other than this, nothing there. It's the time waste. You got. Can anyone help enough? Right? Those people who are listening, can you write in the chat? Those people who are listening, can you write in the chat? What is the meaning of studying algorithm? Please, can you write? Please write. Those people who are listening, can you write in the comment section, what is the purpose of studying algorithm? Can you write? Don't sit idle. What is the purpose of studying algorithm subject? I have a problem. I want to write algorithm. What is the purpose of studying algorithm subject? Can you write? Please write. What is the purpose of studying algorithm subject? Hello? Please write. What is the purpose of, everyone should write. What is the purpose of studying algorithm subject? Will you write to your problem from the scratch or will you use the existing algorithm? Algorithm subject studying purpose is, I don't write everything from scratch. To my problem, which algorithm suitable? I have to match. To my problem, which algorithm suitable? I have to match. Algorithm subject having algorithms. To your problem, which is suitable, select. I am not asking algorithm definition. I am asking, what is the purpose of studying algorithm subject? Purpose of studying algorithm subject, not writing algorithm for every problem from scratch. Existing algorithm which is suitable to your problem, you have to identify. This is my problem. Algorithm subject having these many algorithm. This is my problem. Algorithm subject having these many algorithm. Which algorithm suitable to my problem? I have to find out. To my problem, in the existing algorithm which is suitable, I have to find out. Suppose greedy technique, right? Greedy technique is possible to your problem, you take it. Divide and conquer possible to your problem, take it. Dynamic programming is possible to your problem, take it. Next one, suppose if many algorithms possible, suppose to your problem, many algorithms are matching. Which one is efficient? You have to take it. Just matching. You no need to write everything from scratch. Just matching to your problem. Algorithm subject having many algorithm, which is matching, find out. That is the second step. Design algorithm is nothing but algorithm subject having so many techniques. To your problem, which technique is suitable, please find out. Right? This will come at the end of the subject, you will get to know. At the end of the subject, you will say that, sir, to this problem, DAC is good, sir. Sir, for this problem, greedy better, sir. Sir, for this problem, dynamic programming better, sir. At the end of the algorithm subject, you will say this. Those people who don't study algorithm subject, what they will do is, for every problem, they will start writing. But those people who studied algorithm, what they will do is, to this problem, divide and conquer better, sir. To this problem, greedy better, sir. To this problem, dynamic programming better, sir. They will say like this. Algorithm subject studying is not writing from scratch. Algorithm subject studying purpose is matching. My problem, which algorithm is suitable? Oh, greedy better. That is the purpose. That is the purpose. So this is the difference between the people who know algorithm, the people who don't know algorithm. If you don't know, you start writing from scratch. If you know, you will match it. I'm repeating once again. If you don't know algorithm for any problem I want to solve, you start writing from scratch. If you know algorithm, you will match it. Oh, to this problem, this is the matching. This problem, greedy better. This problem, divide and conquer better. This problem, dynamic programming better, like that. Right. Now, once again, I'm asking you, for any problem, if you want algorithm, will you write from scratch or existing thing you will match? Everyone reply here. Everyone reply here. For any problem you want to write algorithm, will you write from scratch or existing thing will you match? For any problem you want to write algorithm, will you write from scratch or existing thing you match? Everyone have to type. To your problem in the available, right? To your problem in the algorithm, some algorithms are available, which is possible matching to my problem. This is the matching. Your problem, your algorithms. See, these are the algorithms. Your problem, you have to match it. You have to match it. Suppose if you don't know algorithm, you will write from scratch. If you don't know algorithm, will you write from scratch? If you know, just check which one, how I can match. How I can match. Right? So listen, at the end of the subject, I want to ask you one thing. At the end of the subject, will you write the code blindly or will you match only? At the end of the course, for every problem, will you write the code or will you match? At the end of the algorithm subject, for every problem, you will write the algorithm or will you match? Just match. Just match. This is the problem. Oh, it is using greedy, I can do. Oh, this is using dynamic programming, I can do. Oh, this is using backtracking, I can do. Just match. Algorithm subject study is nothing but problem to solution, how to link. Problem to solution, how to link. Suppose you are linking so fastly, you are a great algorithm developer. You are mapping so fastly, you are a great algorithm designer. Suppose you are matching slowly, you are learning. Slowly you are matching, you are learning. You are matching so efficiently, you are good in that domain. Just matching. Now last question I want to ask you. Those people who don't study algorithm, what they will do? Those people who don't study algorithm, what they will do? Those people who don't study algorithm, what they will do? Hello? Those people who don't study algorithm, what they will do? Everyone don't sit idle. Everyone don't sit idle. Everyone don't sit. Those people who don't know algorithm, what they will do? Every time they will start writing from scratch. Those people who knows, they will simply match. They will simply match, that's it. Right, perfect. You are perfect now. You are perfect now. Right? So that is the second step. So can you help me now? Second step is over means, listen, second step is over means total algorithm done. Listen, second step is over means for your problem, total algorithm done or approximately done. Second step is over means to your problem, total algorithm done or approximately done. Second step is over. I want to design algorithm to my problem. First step, know the problem clearly. Second step, design algorithm. Second step is over means matching over. Second step is over means matching over. Can you help me now? Matching over means exactly or approximately. Approx, right? Your problem is belongs to this kind of. Your problem belongs to this kind of approximately, small changes. Small changes. Can you help me now? After selecting the template, designing website is easy or difficult? Someone asked me construct website for some business. After selecting the template, selecting template is difficult. After selecting template, getting the website very easy because in the template, contact us there. In the template, contact us there. Just go there, keep your contact details. In the home page, some details. Keep in the home page your details. In the logo, keep your business logo. In the services, keep your services. So when you have a template, getting your required things are very easy. Just change the data. Remember. So second step is done means 90% to your problem. You got algorithm. Small pendings are there. We have to do. Third step. Right? Because of you have a algorithm, draw flowchart. Can you help me now? What is the difference between algorithm and flowchart? If anyone knows, second step is over means approximately algorithm available. Because of algorithm available, draw flowchart. What is the difference between algorithm and flowchart? What is the difference? Algorithm means normal English line, flowchart means diagram. Algorithm means normal English line, flowchart means diagram. When you say second step is over, algorithm approximately there because matching is done. 90% there. So to get the remaining thing, just for the algorithm whatever you written, just draw flowchart means diagram way represent. Same algorithm if we show in the form of a diagram, that is called flowchart. Right? So when you say second step is over, right, approximately 90% to your problem you have algorithm. To get the remaining story also, for the algorithm whatever you designed till now, to the draw flowchart. After flowchart is over, you got to know what is the flow. Flowchart available means you have, right, you will easily say what is the flow, right? So maybe you will start like this. Afterwards, for the some input you may go left side, for some input you may go right side. Flow is there. Whenever flowchart is available, you know the flow, then check all the things. Right? When you have a flowchart, you know flow of control. Then what you do is by giving. Right? When you say that flowchart available, by giving different inputs, please check correct output coming or not. By giving different inputs, please check correct output coming or not. By giving different inputs, please check correct output coming or not. Suppose input output is not matching. Then what you do is you will inform to algorithm designer something is not matching. So that is called testing or verification. After flowchart is available, by giving different inputs, verify. By giving different inputs, verify. For the correct input, correct output is coming or not, verify. Suppose if something wrong, right, you will inform to algorithm designer, you will do small adjustments, again flowchart will be drawn, again testing will be done. It is keep on going. It is a keep on going. Can you help? It will continue until it will continue until it will continue until you will get the 100% algorithm. Right? Whenever second step is over, 90% algorithm available. Draw flowchart for that. Do testing by giving all possible inputs. Because in the problem definition, already all possible inputs are there. In the problem definition, all possible inputs are there. Problem definition, all possible inputs are there. By applying all possible inputs, please verify. If something wrong, inform to algorithm designer saying that whatever you done, it is not satisfying. So I think you will change the 1 or 2 lines. Automatically flowchart will change. Automatically you will test again. Continue like this. Whenever testing is going on, 100% everything okay, then you will go to next step. Right? You will go to 5th step. Next you will go to 5th step. Next you will go to 5th step. Right? 5th step is going to be, right? 5th step is going to be, listen, 5th step is going to be analyzing algorithm or analysis. 5th step is going to be analysis. Fifth step is going to be analysis. Right? So some people are asking, sir, what is the meaning of 5th step is analysis? So listen, whenever 4th step is over means you got algorithm. Now that algorithm taking how much time, how much space you have to analyze. That algorithm is taking how much time, how much space we have to analyze. That algorithm is taking how much time, how much space we have to analyze. That is the 5th step. That is the 5th step. Yeah, suppose assume that algorithm taking. Suppose assume that algorithm taking less time. Suppose assume that algorithm taking less time. Less time. Then you have to go to that algorithm taking less time. Then that algorithm write the program that is called coding. Whichever algorithm taking less time, to that write the coding, which is also called right? Coding, or which is also called implementation. This is called testing or verification. Testing or verification. Testing or verification. If testing is successful, everything perfect, now try to analyze how much time it will take. Your algorithm, whatever algorithm you design, how much time it will take, how much space it will take, right? Analyze. Suppose time and space is very less, then go for implementation. Without finding time and space, if you go blindly, after total coding is over, again you have to rechange. Best idea is, right? Do until analysis first. Suppose assume that it is taking less time, less space, then go for coding. Last step is coding. The last step is coding. Can you help? Will you do coding for every person or best people? Will you do coding for every person or best person? Will you do coding for every person or best person? Will you do coding for every person or best person? Best person. First to find out best person. And one more thing. What, right? Different people will give different algorithm or different people will give same algorithm. Different people will give different algorithm or different people will give same algorithm. I cannot say every web developer will select the same template. Different developer will select a different template. Different developer will select a different template. Yeah, that is also coding. That is a programming level coding. Sorry, that is a programming level testing. That is a programming level testing. Yeah, right? Everyone will find out different algorithm. Now, in all those algorithms, whichever is better, analysis will find out. Whichever is better only for that coding. There is no meaning of for every, right? Bad algorithm also doing coding, no use. The problem with some students is they will do coding for every algorithm. No, good algorithm you find out, then do coding. Because of coding, please don't write coding for everything. Because of coding, please don't do coding for everything. Best algorithm, do coding. First to find out best algorithm, then do coding. Different people will do different algorithm. Among all the algorithm, whichever better find out using analysis. In that which is better, to that one do coding. To that one do coding. And one more, this testing is algorithm testing. Maybe afterwards if you want, after coding also you can keep testing. That is a programming testing. That is a programming testing. Are you fine? Can you help? Who will give 90% algorithm? 90% of the algorithm will you write? 90% of the algorithm will you write? Will you write from scratch or directly coming? 90% of the algorithm will you write from scratch or directly coming? %90 of the algorithm is coming. 90% of the algorithm is coming directly or from scratch. 90% is coming directly or from scratch. Directly. If you don't know algorithm, you have to write everything by yourself. If you don't know algorithm, you have to write everything by yourself. If you know, right? I think take one of the design algorithm. One of the designing technique is available in the existing algorithms which is suitable. Take then in that just do small adjustments, right? Then do testing. If anything wrong, again change in the existing algorithm small changes. Draw flowchart and do testing. Continue. If testing is successful, everything is fine. Then go for analysis. Analysis means finding time and space complexity. If at all time and space complexity very less, then go for coding. Coding, another name is implementation. Now, last question I want to ask you. Last question I want to ask you. Out of these 6 things, which is difficult? Yeah, someone is asking. Dinesh is asking, sir, what if cannot exist? Right? There is no question of not existing, because the reason is so many people done so many PhDs. In algorithm subject, so many people done so many PhDs. So many people done so many PhDs. So exactly may not match, right? If at all it is a really difficult problem, exactly may not match. 90% may not match. Maybe 50% match. Maybe 50% match. Worst case, maybe you write. See, writings from scratch is the worst idea. If worst case really needed, write from scratch. Worst case really needed, right? Write from scratch, right? The only thing is a time waste. Some problems are 50% will match. Some problems are 90% will match with the existing. Something 100%, something 99, something 40, depending upon that. Can anyone help So many designing techniques are there. So many algorithms are there. So many templates. Which template is more suitable? It is very difficult. So the difficult part in the story is this one: how to select the correct template. That is difficult. This is difficult. Next one: how to analyze. This also difficult. Designing difficult, analyzing difficult. Designing difficult, analyzing difficult. These are the two difficult things. That is the reason this subject name is called as design and analysis of algorithm. That is the reason this subject name is called design and analysis of algorithm, which is also called DAA. That is the reason this subject is called DAA. Designing algorithm and analyzing algorithm difficult. Remaining all are easy. Design and analysis of algorithm, which is also DAA, which is also people used to say that algorithm design and analysis. Some people are used to say that AAD, algorithm analysis and design. All are same. Is it fine now? So 3 steps I done. See, today's class I done 3 steps. What is the first step? See this one. What is the first step? What is the definition? See the first step what I done. Algorithm definition and example. Next one. What are the properties algorithm should follow? Some properties I written. Next one. How to design the algorithm. Don't design algorithm blindly, randomly. Follow some procedure. This is the procedure. Steps to design algorithm. Problem definition. Know the problem clearly. Next one, design algorithm means select the existing algorithm, select the correct one. Do as maximum matching as possible. Don't do everything from scratch. In the existing one which will mostly match, that one you select. Then draw the flowchart. Whatever algorithm you have, draw flowchart. Flowchart means writing in the form of a diagram. Normal English line if you write, that is called algorithm. If you draw in the form of a diagram, that is called flowchart. Then afterwards do testing. If everything okay, testing means in the problem definition you are taken some inputs and outputs. For every input what is the output expecting. In the problem definition itself you are already written one report. That report check correct or not. If it is correct, then go to analysis. If not correct, then say to the algorithm designer, something wrong, please can you change it. 1 or 2 lines he will add and flowchart will change. Testing, right, again he will do continue. Then all the input and output matching. Then go for analysis. Then how much time complexity this algorithm taking. Space complexity this algorithm taking. Suppose it is taking less, then go for coding. Don't do coding everyone. Best one, take the coding. So that is the reason major part is going to be your design and analysis. That is the meaning of this subject. People used to say DAA or ADA or AAD. Right? So all the things I may be repeated many times because here so many students are there. Some people are studying first time, some people are studying second time, some people may be studying third time. I don't know. I have to take care about all the people. Maybe some repetition done. I hope you got it. Right? So remember, if anyone is not done the subscription, please take as soon as possible. If you really like this class, right, you can share it to your friends. That is the best thing what you can do for me. And remember, it is not one day work. If you study like this, whatever way you study today, 30 days if you study like this, you will get algorithm. Whatever way you studied, 30 days if you study like this, you will get algorithm. Next month this time you will be perfect. Please keep on improve. Make notes also. Keep nice notes. Keep nice notes. Keep nice notes. Unnecessary things you delete. Maybe I written some unnecessary things, right? Maybe I see this one I written. Listen, this one I written. This may be unnecessary to you. It is necessary to me I written. Right? Don't write unnecessary things. Which are unnecessary to you, don't write. If you write unfortunately, please cancel it. Make beautiful notes. Make beautiful notes. Right? One student asked me, see, listen, one student written one message to me. Right? After 10 years he written. After 10 years he written, sir, I am your student in 2014. I am your student in 2014. Yesterday I have Google interview, right? So I referred your algorithm notes. I selected in the Google. Sir, yesterday I have Google interview. I referred your notes. I selected in the Google. After 10 years also maybe you refer. Right? Before shifting every company. One company to another company you want to shift. Before shifting every company, there may be a need. Best thing is please write the notes, good notes. Don't take that person note, this person notes. Please you write. Wherever you see best problem, please write it. Wherever you see good problem, please write it. Make notes as good as possible. Right? Make notes as good as possible. If you felt anything unnecessary, delete. Right? Only necessary things you keep. Tomorrow, listen, can anyone help what is the first chapter name? What is the first chapter name? I want answer from you. What is the first chapter name? If you remember the syllabus, what is the first chapter name? You can go and check. What is the first chapter name? It is the first chapter. What is the first chapter name? This is the major one, first chapter. Analyzing algorithm. This is the first chapter. This is the first chapter. First chapter is analysis. This is the very, very important. Time complexity finding, space complexity finding. Time complexity finding, space complexity finding. If you go to the product based companies, they will ask you this only. How will you analyze the algorithm? If you go to the big companies, they will ask this only. Right? Can you analyze this algorithm? This algorithm, that algorithm, which is better? Why it is better? Right? If you go to the big company, right? Big companies, maybe Amazon, maybe Google, maybe Facebook, Microsoft. If you go to big companies, they will ask you, for this problem, how many algorithms possible? Which is better? What is the time complexity? What is the space complexity? They will ask you like this. This is the problem. How will you solve? Listen everyone. In the big companies, people will ask you like this. This is the problem. How will you solve? Right? Now see, as soon as you seen the problem, you will say, yeah, this problem I can solve using greedy. This problem you can, right? This problem I can solve using greedy. They will immediately ask you, can you write the algorithm for that? Don't write the code. Can you write the algorithm for that? Write roughly. Write the algorithm. Okay, after seeing that algorithm, they will ask you what will be the time complexity. They will ask you what is the space complexity. If you say time complexity this much, space complexity this much, they will ask you one more. This problem if you solve using divide and conquer, what is the time, what is the space? If you solve this problem using dynamic programming, what is the time, what is the space? Next one, what is the better? Which one is better? How much is better? All the things. Which one is better? How much is better? Time point of view, which is better? Space point of view, which is better? Like that they will ask. That is called product based company. That is called product based company. Are you getting? Right? If you go to big companies, the first question they will ask you is, this is the problem, how will you solve? This is the problem, how will you solve? Right? You take your own time, right? You take your own time, you say, yeah, this problem I can solve using DP. Using dynamic programming I can solve. This problem is better, this problem solved in the better way using DP. Using DP, immediately they will ask you, can you solve it? Yeah, please start solving. After dynamic programming is over, you can solve it. Right? Please start solving. Right? After solving is over, they will ask you, can you say time and space? If you say time and space also, they will ask you, using greedy how much? Using dynamic programming how much? Right? Like that you have to check. So please, right, it is not 1 day work, it is a 30 days work. It is a 30 days work, right? See, first class everyone will listen so carefully. Second class everyone will listen so carefully. Third class everyone listen so carefully, right? But class number 30 also, if you can listen carefully. Class number 30 also, if you can listen carefully, you got algorithm. Whatever enthusiasm you have now, if you have the same enthusiasm at the end of the 30 days also, you are perfect in algorithm. Are you okay? Whatever enthusiasm you have now, if you have the same enthusiasm after 30 days also, you are perfect. You are perfect person. You are perfect person to go to IIT. You are perfect person to go to Amazon. You are perfect person to go to Google. Please careful. 1 day everyone okay, 2 day everyone okay, 3 day. Are you okay after 30 days? Are you okay after 6 months? Are you growing day to day? Are you growing day to day? If you grow day to day, you are a winner. If you grow day to day, you are a winner. Right? I hope you got it. Tomorrow, as soon as I will start the class, right, I will start with the analysis. Tomorrow, as soon as I will start the class, I will start with the analysis. Yeah, please let me, if anyone, right, please let me know about your opinion. Am I slow? Am I fast? Am I okay? Please let me know, accordingly I will plan it. Am I slow? Am I fast? Am I medium? Please let me know, accordingly I will do that. Because of it, the first class, I want to synchronize with you. Accordingly, I will do tomorrow. If you say I am fast, I will decrease the fastness. If you say I am slow, I will increase fastness. And the same thing after trimming, after deleting unnecessary part, it will be there in the app also. Yeah, see this one. See everyone now. If at all many people are having problem, right, we will look into it. If only one, recording also there. And one more thing is, right, every batch, right, you are the one batch, right? In the next batch also again live will happen. You can attend there also. Suppose some classes are missed out, right? Recording is there. In the next batch also live is there. I will give chance to you in the next batch also. If anyone saying, sir, I am not getting, please let me know. Right? So you have to plan. Samarth, you have to plan. It is your life. Plan properly. Everything is planning. Plan properly. Grow as a human. Grow as a responsible person. Grow, right? How to manage the things. I have 100 rupees. Total month I have to spend. How I will manage? I have 1000 rupees. Total month I have to manage. How? I have 10,000. Total year how I will manage? Everything you have to learn that also. That is a part of the skill. That is also one of the skill set. How to manage. How to manage? See this one. Roti sabji, roti sabji, roti sabji. How to eat? How to eat roti without completing sabji? You have to manage. Little bit of roti, little bit of sabji, little bit of roti, little bit of sabji. This is called roti sabji management. This is called roti sabji management. If you eat total sabji, what about roti? If you eat total roti, what about sabji? So you have to manage. Please learn it. This is also part of life. Life is not only algorithm. Life is not only data structure. These also you have to learn. Sometimes exams will come. Sometimes some other problem will come. Sometimes X will come. Sometimes Y will come. Please manage. Learn it. Right, my only suggestion is please inform to all your friends. That is the only help which I will expect. If you like my class, you can share to all your classmates. If you like my class, you can share to all your classmates. That is the only help which I expect. You can post in the social media, I really like this class. Right, so you can join this. It will be really helpful. I will be really happy, right, if you can do this. Thank you so much, but my only goal is learn as much as you can. My only goal is learn as much as you can. Right? I want to see you in big companies. I want to see you in the Microsoft. I want to see you in the Google. I want to see you in the big companies. But big things possible if small things if you do. Don't dream directly big without doing small things. Tomorrow also same time. Is it okay? Of course, for everyone, Venkatesh, for everyone same. The only thing is, right, the only thing is going to be lastly 200 problems also if you do, you will get more confidence. After DSA course is over, GATE people will do GATE story, you people will do your story. You do the coding part. You will do the coding part, they will do something else. Everyone, this is for everyone. If you want to get a job, this is required. If you want to get a job, this is required. For all the people. So remember, DSA course will be over in 6 months. GATE will be over almost like 8 months. GATE will be over almost like 8 months. DSA course will be over 6 months because they have 200 problem coding and all. GATE people are having 12 subjects. Their syllabus will be over in 8 months. Remaining 4 months you will practice. It is the best combination. GATE and DSA is the best combination because if you get the GATE rank, you will go to IIT. If you don't get the GATE rank, you will go to software job. You don't stuck anywhere. If you get the good GATE rank, go to IIT. If you don't get the good GATE rank, go to software job. It is a good one. If you get the good GATE rank, go to IIT. If you get a little bit NIT, little bit triple IT. Right? If you learn DSA, right, you will get the job immediately. Simultaneously learn DSA also because DSA 80% of DSA GATE only. Plus 20% practice. Fine? Tomorrow same time? How to find tomorrow? See this one. Tomorrow onwards 2 or 3 classes. Time complexity finding. Tomorrow onwards 2 or 3 classes. Time complexity finding. Don't miss it. Tomorrow onwards 2 or 3 classes. Time complexity finding. Don't miss. In entire your lifetime that will come. What is the time complexity? Entire your lifetime it will come. What is the space complexity? What is the space complexity? Right? Fine. Those people who want to join, right? You can WhatsApp me to this number. I will guide you. I will guide you. This is my WhatsApp number. You can ping me. I will guide you. What is a course suitable to you? I will guide you. I don't take blindly admission also. What is suitable to you? Why exactly you want to join? What is the reason? Right? Fine. Thank you. See you in the next class. Bye. Bye. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thanks everyone. Thanks everyone. Good night.